SIS Group is an industrial contractor. That's the main biggest company. The second biggest company is SIS Manufacturing, where we build locomotive frames for Caterpillar and other companies.
This is the facility, SIS Manufacturing, and everything we do starts with raw steel plate from Algoma Steel. Happens to be in our backyard, which is a great benefit. The locomotive that we build are typically 70 feet. The one bed on the right here is large enough to handle the biggest plate Algoma Steel can roll.
I've been working here for almost 20 years.
I've been here 13 years. I worked here for about 3 years now.
I started welding maybe like 2 years ago.
This is the second day, so we're doing some training on the machine.
So I came up here with my wife and 3 little kids, had no job opportunity, a little bit in the bank. What brought me to the Sioux, I wanted to sell my house and live mortgage free. I lucked out and I saw that SIS was hiring for a machinist, which I have 10 years experience in.
I wear a lot of hats. Payables, receivables, general files for all of our businesses. Any kind of assistance that Tony needs. He's running from site to site to site, and he's at every different building. He connects with every single employee almost daily.
We go down and we work with the people and do whatever it takes to get the job done. And I think that's what makes us a little different than everybody else.
The Sioux College offers a program, and so does EPR, Welding Academy here, so we work with them. We have a couple co-op students that have actually now graduated, but we brought them on and hired them.
It was the government-funded program. So that's how I got into this. Yeah, you learn about different things, and you're not just learning about welding.
I enjoy working here. I love the people I work with.
He was machining in Southern Ontario, and it's a much different environment because we have to be more self-sufficient, more diverse in what we do.
Southern Ontario, the industry is very competitive.
Gets to be more creative. I feel like you have a lot more freedom.
They have it pretty good up here.
So from millwrighting to machining to welding to fitting to fabbing to even carpentry at times, whatever it requires.
If you give them that opportunity, they seem to take that chance or that ability and move on with it.
Here, you can be whatever they want you to be.
We fell into a project where a customer couldn't pay. So we ended up taking over the old paper mill site at the Canal District. We remodeled it, put some restaurants in, turned it into a tourist attraction.
This was existing building, which is the machine shop building, and the mill steakhouse, boiler room, and the venue that hosts weddings and concerts.
The fun part is the border town and the cars. All of this is really cool. Something very different, very laid back, fun.
So do you got a favorite? I like that Z28 Camaro right there.
Always been into cars, so I love that.
These are all drivers, so it's kind of set up so that you can actually open a garage door and pull a couple cars out and go for a ride. When you know certain cars are up in price, you sell them. It's a nice collection of cars.
We got help from Economic Development Corporation of Sault Ste. Marie, and then we were able to build a train station. The outdoor rink really helped during COVID.
It is an outdoor rink with all the plumbing and you'd find in any arena.
It was the only rink anybody could play hockey on during COVID. It's catered to families and to community and tourists alike. We have approximately 110 people working there. We have a great chef and we have a great manager and have a great passion for what they do. And you know, that's the kind of people we want.
How's work going today?
Get some stuff ready so we get it out the door. That's what we got to do.
It's a small town environment, but it still has everything you need. It's a great place to live.
Quality of life up here is excellent. There's big forests, lots to do. I'm a fisherman myself.
Yeah, there is the opportunity for expansion as well. You can find the work, and that hasn't seemed to be a problem for a while now.
Everything changes here on a daily basis. We always have something new, but it's always fun.
If you work, you get rewarded. You know, if you stand out, we will look after you. That's the way we work. At the end of the day, we make something. You know, we can touch it. We make a product that we're all proud of.
If somebody doesn't give you a chance in life, you never do get to show them your true colors. You give a guy an opportunity and it's amazing what he can do.
You know, the future is bright and we're excited.
This is a family-based business and we try to treat our employees the same way. And that's the best way.